equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a clean workspace. First, power off your Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon and disconnect it from any power source. Next, remove the back cover by unscrewing the screws located at the base of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the back cover is off, locate the CMOS battery. This small battery is crucial for maintaining BIOS settings. Carefully disconnect the battery using your fingers or a plastic spudger to avoid any damage. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about the hassle. Next, clean the internal components gently with a soft brush or compressed air. Dust can cause overheating and other issues, so it's essential to keep the internals clean. After cleaning, reconnect the CMOS battery, ensuring it's seated properly. Now, it's time to reset the BIOS. To do this, locate the BIOS jumper on the motherboard. You may need to refer to the user manual for the exact location. Once you find the jumper, move it from the default position to the reset position for about 10 seconds, then return it to the original position. This action will reset the BIOS settings to factory defaults. If you're unsure about any of these steps, we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision. After resetting the BIOS, reassemble your laptop by carefully placing the back cover back on and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure all screws are tightened properly to avoid any rattling or loose parts. Now, power on your Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon and enter the BIOS setup by pressing the appropriate key during startup, usually F1 or F2. Check if the BIOS is functioning correctly and if your settings are as expected. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert advice without any pressure. If you prefer, we can also handle the entire repair process for you, ensuring a hassle-free experience. With our service, there are no calls, no travel, just a simple solution to your laptop problems. In conclusion, repairing the BIOS on your Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon can be straightforward if you follow these steps carefully. Always ensure you have the right tools and take your time to avoid any mistakes. If you need assistance, our team is here to help, providing you with the best service possible. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.